Hello everyone. Today I Ishansh Bansal will be showing you how to represent a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca identity by using paper cutting method. Materials required in this activity will be colored paper, some sketch pens, pair of scissors, glue and a pencil. For verification of this identity, we will assume the values of A, B and C. We will assume the value of A as 4 units, the value of B as 9 units and the value of C as 14 units. Now we will represent the left hand side of this identity. At the left hand side of this identity, we have A plus B plus C whole square is equals to 4 plus 9 plus 14 whole square, which will be further equal to 27 whole square. Now we will take the square cutout of dimension 27 cm, which will represent A plus B plus C whole square. As we have taken A as 4 units, so to represent 4 square, we will take a square of side 4 cm, which will represent A square. Now we have taken B as 9 units, so to represent 9 square, we will take a square of side 9 cm, which will represent B square. Lastly, we have taken C as 14 units, so to represent 14 square, we will take a square of side 14 cm, which will represent C square. We will move further by taking other terms. The next term is 2AB. For representing 2AB, we will take two rectangles of sides 4 by 9 cm, as A is 4 units and B is 9 units. So these two are representing 2AB and each piece is representing AB. Now the next term is 2BC. For representing 2BC, we will take two rectangles of sides 9 by 14 cm, as B is 9 units and C is 14 units. Now the next term is 2CA. For representing 2CA, we will take two rectangles of side 14 by 4, as C is 14 units and A is 4 units. Now the verification part is as follows. First take the square cutout representing A plus B plus C whole square. Now we are taking A square and placing it on the square cutout. Now we are taking the second cutout, that is representing B square, on the cutout. And now we are taking the cutout which is representing C square and placing it as follows. Now we are taking the rectangles AB and placing it like this. And then BC triangle BC rectangles. This. And at last, CA rectangle. Now the observation is as follows. The cutouts representing a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ac completely covers the square cutout representing a plus b plus c whole square. Therefore, it is verified that a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, you can choose suitable dimensions of a, b and c and verify the same result on your own. Thank you.